Okay, what did you see when you read the ruler? So you're gonna tell me about the tip. You're gonna tell me about the tip of the feather. And the
Sir, it
length.
ends at 29.
Oh, it ends at 29. Okay, so the tip of the
And
feather.
start at 10.
Oh, and starts at 10. All right. So you did a 10 here and you did 29 here. All right. So and say because it starts at 10 and ends at 29, you select B as the answer. Okay. It starts at 10 and ends at 29. It's interesting. Mm. So you're saying that the distance from 10 to 29 is 29. The question is, what is the length of the feather? So the feather is placed against the ruler, and one end of the feather is at 10, the other end is at 29. And you're saying that the length of the feather is 29? That's what you're both saying.
19.
Why you change it to 19? Why you change it to 19 now, Chrisanti?
Sir, because in the start at the end of the ruler.
Not hearing you.
Sir, because it not start from the end of the ruler.
Oh, it didn't start from the end. It start from 10. So yeah, but it's not starting from 10. So what does that mean for how you get the answer? Is it something that you need to work out, or you can just look at it and see it? All right. See now, Nayoka enter in the class, so you would have got kicked out. I don't know if you have internet problems here. All right. So, but Nayoka can connect and help us here. Hmm? What is this? Oh, that's right. Strange face here. Nayoka?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you seeing the question on the screen? Hmm. All right. So, what is this? All right. Um, let's see if we can get this question here. I want to do something to this question. I'm going to split this question. I'm going to see if the answer is really 29. Um, so I like a trick like this, and then now I'm going to cut that and cut this, and so we just have the feather by itself. All right. So this is the feather by itself, and I'm gonna do here. Tiana is here. Okay. Um, let's and get something to cover this no feather that's there. I use this and cover it. And then now I'm going to fill it in and remove the outline. It's going to look like that. All right, so we're going to look at this question in a different way. And this, I'm going to send this to back. Yeah, send to back. Actually, so this can go forward. It's actually going to cover it. Yeah, right here. Let's get it. All right. And let's going to send this forward. There you go. That's it. So with a little bit of editing, we can get this thing. All right. So we move this feather here. And we move it to the start. So you're still saying that it is 29? It's the same feather, you know?
19, sir.
All of a sudden you change. But I want to know why you change from the, because it's the same feather here. It's the same feather we have here. What's the difference between the feather I show you and this one? It's the same feather here. So over here, so you say it is 29. You're saying it's 29. And I move the feather from where you see it to up here. And now you're saying it's 19. So is it feather the same length or is it a different length? Did the feather shrink? Did the feather grow? Okay, well, Tiana says I might not working, but all right, that's understood then. So with multiple choice now, guys, that is what I don't want. For students to just tell me an answer. They need to know why, or they need to know which why they choose a answer that them choose. Right? It's anybody who let you just tell you let you just write an answer for multiple choice without explaining why you get that answer. I mean, it's not telling you the right thing. You know, so when you do multiple choice, you have to do it like say you're working it out. Just like any what you call long answer question. Same thing. So I really would like to know why this is 19. All right, and the same feather on the next page. The same feather right here is 29. Is it that you made a mistake here? Or is a different feather? Because notice that I didn't do anything to the feather. I just cut it out and put it against another part of the ruler. All right. Okay, so Tiana is saying that, okay, yes, it's the same feather, but I move the feather. Yeah, definitely I move the feather. And if I move the feather, does that change the length of the feather? You know, that's the thing. If I move you from one classroom to another classroom, does that change who you are? Aren't you the same person? So definitely what we have here is the same thing. So I'd like to know, as this was a question that you would see in an exam or in a test. And you're saying that this is 29. And because we used to using the ruler where we just put it at the end and then we measure. But this one, no, this is why them set the question like this. They want to see then, all right, what if the first part of the ruler did break off? Is it that when the ruler break, it can't use? You have a long ruler and you break a piece of it. Can the ruler still be used? Carla, Chrisanti, Tiana, can the ruler still be used if it is broken? All right. All right. Now look at this. All right. What you notice about the ruler in this diagram?
Sir, it's broken.
Good. Can we still get the length of the leaf from it? Can we still use it to measure the length of a leaf?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. So let me ask the obvious question. What is the length of the leaf then that is seen in the diagram?
7.
7. All right. So all right, the length of the entire leaf is 7. And how you got the 7? How you got the 7?
Sir, start come from one where the leaves start.
Start from where you're from the count. Oh, you count. I like we use that word. So you count from where the leaf. So you basically here, you counted from what number? From where the leaf start, which would be 8 to what number?
14.
All right. So okay, so basically say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so it over here. But you have the idea here. All right. So everybody see that then?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we're going to apply the same principle then. That means that for the leaf then, we should start counting from what number? So not the leaf, sorry, for the feather, rather here. What number we start counting from here, so? Something happened to the microphone? Losing the ability to speak? Chrysanthi and Carla?